Good morning, my YouTube family. But before that, I want to wish to all of you श्रावण माह की आप सभी को दिल से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. If you are a girl, then do not forget to wear green bangles and don't forget to apply mehndi on your hands as well. But I don't know about boys. What do they in Shravan Mah? So leave it. But if you are a girl, definitely do it. The topic of today is काश कोई मुझे इंग्लिश सीखने से पहले यह तीन बातें बताता. I wish someone could tell me these three things before starting to learn English language. I was searching a new topic to share with all of you, and while talking to myself, I understood that I should share with all of you these three things, and if it helped you guys, it would be my pleasure that I'm able to help you. What are these three things? Let me share with all of you. I have written down everything on my notebook. The first thing which someone could tell me, that is practice of speaking more than anything. Why I kept this heading at first, I realized in my life, like now I teach as well. Now I give classes of spoken English, someone as well. So I realized while doing that all thing, even I share him that you should focus more on speaking, doing anything else, because at the last nothing is gonna work despite your practice. Even if you have knowledge of everything, like all topics of grammar, even about spoken English related topics, but yet if you haven't practiced enough in your life, like nook and corner har taraf se, nothing is going to work. So what I used to do in my journey, or I can say when I was, of course, I'm in the journey of learning this language now as well. But let me talk about my starting phase. I used to feel that if I learn every topic of grammar or parts of a speech or whatever is necessary to learn English language, if I learn that all topics, I'm gonna start speak this language. But I think that was not true. I was in like world of imagination something. To be honest, guys, if you decided to learn this language, doesn't matter how much you have knowledge of this language, but start speaking. If you don't have partners, then start speaking with your room, with your favorite. Okay, I have this mirror. If you have this kind of mirror, then speak with it. Anything you can speak with. Hey, you look very beautiful. You look handsome. Uh, you scored good marks in physics. Whatever you want to speak, speak with it. Feel that this is a person, this is a live person, and you are talking with him or her if it is alive. Feel like this and talk. Don't make excuses, guys. Okay? This was first, and second is you can do it, and only you can do it. Then doesn't matter how slowly you are learning or how slowly you get some point. I know it's like motivation kind of quotation. Why I mentioned this heading or this thing as well in this topic, I feel that not everyone is same. Like suppose that uh, I can learn any topic very fast. If someone is teaching, I can get it at in first time. But not everyone is like that. Sometimes I'm not like that, but yeah, usually I get it. Despite all. Uh, so not everyone can be like this. If someone is mutt means Marathi dumb, he or she should believe that he or she should believe that he can also learn. But they're not going to believe on themselves despite uh, until no one share with him that you can do it. So if you are learning guys and you feel that you cannot do it, then let me share with all of you, only you can do it. And if you cannot do it, then who is gonna do it यार? आप ही तो कर सकते हैं ना, आप नहीं कीजिएगा तो कौन कर सकता है, कोई भूत थोड़ी आएगा करने के लिए. That's another point, you're gonna get that thing later, but you will definitely get it if you are in the journey of doing that thing again and again. देर से आना पर आता जरूर है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं मिलता है. कहते हैं ना, गॉड्स मिल ग्राइंड स्लो बट श्योर. भगवान के दर देर है पर अंधेर नहीं. सो समथिंग लाइक दिस. नेवर लूज योर होप एंड वर्क ऑन इट. थर्ड इज नेवर लूज योर होप एंड नेवर गिव अप. या आई kept it at third. Why? Because if there is someone and he started to learn this language, he is hardly gonna learn this language 1 or 2 months or 3 months. Hardly guys, this is hardly. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं who can continue their journey for 1 or 2 years or more than 2 years. So I want to give you an advice, a piece of advice. Never lose your hope, guys. Never lose your hope. If you are doing that thing, you will achieve it. Definitely you will achieve it, okay? Just believe on yourself and never give up. If you want to take break, you can take break of 1 month, 2 months, or more than it. Don't learn anything. You don't need to learn any topics of spoken English, anything of English language. Just stop it. But come back, okay? It should be not like that. चलो अब तो छोड़ना है, बस मजे ही मजे. It should be not like that. Got it? Come back and learn it. Okay? I hope that it is gonna be helpful for all of you. Definitely let me know in the comment box which thing you like more. Definitely mention that thing in comment box. And if you want to add anything else in this topic, you can add it. कोई और भी हो सकता है जो सीख लिए हैं और वो चाहते हैं, they want to add anything else, you can definitely comment below. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.